Welcome guys to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a sprinting system that works in Unreal Engine. So first go to Content, Third Person BP, Blueprints, Third Person Character, then go to Edit, Project Settings, scroll all the way down, Input, and then create New Action Mapping, call it Sprint, and then for the actual mapping I'm going to just use Control. Left control. There we go. So now back in our graph, right click, get input action sprint, on pressed, set max walk speed. Let's duplicate that 2 times. To pressed and released. On released, set it to 600, and on pressed, set it to 1200. And then for the target, drag out character movement. There we go. And now I think that's all we need for a simple sprinting system. Yep. And there we go. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe for more tutorials, cryptocurrency videos, Unreal Engine, whatever you guys want to see. Thank you. Bye.